Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. Let's look toward this way, thank you. How y'all doing today? Today is November 23rd, 2013, on a Saturday afternoon. Have my blinker on, and turn my blinker minder on. And I'm doing another test of this Replay XD, having some audio difficulties. So Big Bill Chicago recommended a Radio Shack model microphone. So I got it home, and I looked at it online, and it looks like it's the exact same. Looks like the exact same microphone that Replay uses. So I checked the impedance on it, and it's exactly the same thing. I think Radio Shack makes them, or Replay makes them for Radio Shack, whichever. So I'm going to try a different mic placement on the helmet and see if that does any better than my last audio. See if that comes out any better. Well, this coming Thursday is Thanksgiving. We are going to have Thanksgiving with my daughter and son-in-law this year. So we're going over their house Thursday for a Thanksgiving feast. So that will be something to look forward to. I'm working Monday and Tuesday. Then I'm off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and go back to work on Saturday. So I'm just out here today making a trial run of this Replay XD power mic, and I'm going to check that status, and then if it still does the same as the other one, I'll try the Radio Shack one. See how that works out. See if it's any better or any worse. I'll give that a shot. Let's see if it'll fit under the seat. Remember to get these. Put them in the lunchbox. Piece of cake. That's what you can do on a Bergman, boys. You can put a big bag of dog food under the seat. Why does your nose always run when it gets colder?